Hello there, this is a tutorial on how to lock your bike, on ways you should and should not lock your bike. Number 1. Do not ever leave your bike unsupervised and unlocked. There are 2 reasons for this. Number 1. Anyone can steal and ride off with your bike in less than 5 minutes. Number 2. Most places state they won't be responsible for lost bikes. Number 2. You can lock your bike from its wheel to a fixed object. Be warned, anyone can unscrew the wheel and take the rest of the bike except the solo wheel. Number 3. This is the correct way to securely park your bike. If you leave it alone for many hours, lock it from the bike frame to a fixed object, then the bike and its valuable parts are secured. Cable locks are a convenient, lightweight and the cheapest lock to carry, but can be chopped by bolt choppers in less than a minute. Chain locks are the strongest type of bike lock, which makes it difficult to cut through, although they are heavy and bulky to carry. D-locks are the best-selling type of bike lock that I have. It is resistant to being cut through and lighter than a chain lock, but the D shape means it is not flexible to wrap around awkward positions. Folding bike locks are just new to the market. They are resistant to being cut and they can wrap around any awkward position. This is the end of the video now. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you're interested, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you're alerted whenever I upload a new video in the future.